when is an estate tax return required? So I am an attorney, I am not a CPA. We always recommend to our clients to work with a CPA. There are some attorneys who do the tax returns as well. So if that's the case, talk with your attorney, CPA. So when we're talking about an estate tax return, there's often confusion. What are we talking about? 1041 return is that return that an estate must file, not because they owe estate tax, but because they owe income tax. So that is something to keep in mind, that when you're hearing estate tax return, what are we talking about? Are we talking about the annual return that needs to be filed during the probate process because the estate is being processed and there is some income that is being earned that causes the estate to have to pay an income tax? That is different than the type of an estate tax return that is needed if you need to pay, for example, the state of Washington some money, or if it's a large estate, federal income tax because the estate level is over that $12 million mark. So when it comes to tax returns, unless you are a CPA, I highly recommend that you consult with your CPA. When we are working with clients on administering their estates, this is what we tell them is talk to your CPA and that does file these types of tax returns. I'm not talking about somebody who's only familiar with a 1040 or a 1040 EZ, somebody who actually does this type of tax returns on a regular basis. Talk with them and find out whether your estate is, or the estate that you're working on is subject to any type of taxes, be it an income tax or an estate tax.